Oke guys, hari ini aku mau bikin pisang goreng alias fried banana. How we make that? Okay. Flour. One, satu, dua, tiga. 3 big spoon of flour. And I also have this one rice flour, tepung beras ya, 1 sendok aja, 1 spoon. I add salt, garam secukupnya, dan gula, sugar, 1 spoon. You can use 2 spoon, I use 2 spoon, 2 sendok besar. Vanilla essence dikit aja, just a few drop, and then water, air gitu loh. Aduk dulu, airnya kurang tambahin lagi, add more water. This is so easy, gampang banget bikinnya. Diaduk terus sampai ininya butiran-butiran kasar gitu. So meantime, we need cooking oil, minyak untuk menggoreng lah. Resep the flour so that there's no plum in it. Look at that, this one. Okay, and it's done. Beautiful too. So the expensive banana, you can use the different banana if you want, but this one is perfect for the fried banana. Nice. Just make the simple one, yeah. So cut one. So kipas. Bisa juga kayak gini. Here we go. The oil already hot. Just make sure the oil is hot. Biarkan minyaknya panas dulu, baru masukin itu pisang. So dan ini si kipas. Ya, kipasnya putus dah. This one a lot in Indonesia guys, but this one here I get this banana for €7.50. You can see the other vlog, the other video. Does look good. Does look nice. It is already done. So we put on top of the tissue. Biar ya. Let's go fried banana, pisang goreng. So guys, it's one is with the sugar powder, and the other one you can use with the, I want to put the caramel topping in it. So I put this one caramel topping. Hey guys, this is the final result, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and see you next time. Bye. Thank you for watching. And Andy is want to eat. Welcome, ya. Tuh mapak mah. Deze of deze? Ja, pak maar. Wil je nog een beetje suiker?
Ik wil dat goed.
So, enjoy. Bye bye. Sa dulu, bye bye dulu.
Bye bye.
This boy like to eat sugar, I think. Okay, that is enough. That's enough.
En die zo.
Nee, that is niet. That hope you need. I put powder in it. So, it's makkelijk. Crispy, hè? Ja.
Lekker.
Lekker.
Knap.
Ja, ik breng naar buiten ook. Mag ik het drinken?
Ja.
Need to roep de papa to eat.